Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on your Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 operating system. XAMPP is a combination of Apache web server plus MySQL database plus PHP and Perl. So if you want to make your web server or your computer as a local web server, you can make it by installing XAMPP to test your website. So let's see how we can install XAMPP. You just need to go to your browser and just search for XAMPP, and the first link you will find here is from www.apachefriends.org. Just click this link here and you can see why it's called XAMPP. A stands for Apache, M stands for MySQL, P for PHP and P for Perl, and X stands for the operating system. You can use Windows or Linux or OS X for the installation. So what we are interested in is XAMPP for Windows. So just scroll down and you will be able to see this download link here. Just click this link and download will start in few seconds. So it depends upon the speeds of your computer how long it will take to download. So once this download is complete, this file, you see download has started, and it will take some time to download this because it's more than 100 MB file. So once this download is complete, we are ready to install XAMPP on our Windows operating system. So I have already downloaded this installer, so I will just double click this, and for the first time it will show an warning. So you need to click more and you need to click there run anyway, okay, and then click yes. And in some moments the installation will start. So the installation has started. I will just, and in between your installation it will give you a little these kind of warnings, and you just need to click continue with the installation. Yes, we need to continue with the installation, and click OK here, and then your setup will start. So click next, and these are the server, MySQL, FTP server, Tomcat, Perl and PHP MyAdmin. These are the tool it will install when you click next. Okay, so if you want to remove anything you can remove it, but generally I like it or like to check all the things and go further. So click next, and this is the default location XAMPP will be installed in your system, C:/XAMPP. Okay, so just remember this folder name because we are going to use this folder name in or folder location in our further demonstration. So click next and click next and ready to install. So you can click next here and XAMPP will start installing itself now. So this installation will also take some time to install. So I will pause the video. Once it will be installed, I will show you how to go further. So now our installation is complete and I want to launch this control panel for XAMPP. So just keep this checkbox checked and click finish. So it will launch this control panel for your XAMPP. And now you will be able to see this XAMPP control panel like this. Okay, now in here you can start this Apache web server and MySQL database connection. You just need to click this start button here, and then Apache will be started. It will give you this small little warning, and it says private networks such as my home, you want to use it, And also, if you want to use it on public networks such as airport and coffee shops, I generally click this option also, and I allow access, and this will start this Apache server. And to start MySQL, you just need to click this start button, and MySQL will be started also. So for now, we only need to run this Apache web server and MySQL. This FileZilla and Tomcat, you can use it later whenever you want to use them. But for now, we are just fine with this Apache and MySQL. Okay. So now once you have started these two processes, you can always stop them by clicking the stop buttons, and they will be stopped. So right now they are running because you will be able to see the stop symbol, and when you see the start symbol, then they are stopped and you will be able to start them. Okay, so now once we have Apache Web Server and MySQL started, you can go to your web browser and just write here localhost, okay, and click enter, and you will be able to see this screen here. If you will be able to see this XAMPP default screen, when you type here localhost, then your Apache web server is running and XAMPP is installed successfully in your computer. Okay, so in here you need to choose your language. I will choose English, and this is your XAMPP index. The first thing you need to do after installing this XAMPP is to change the security. So what you need to do, you need to just click this security here, this little security tab here. So just click security, and in here you will be able to see this. These XAMPP pages are accessible by network for everyone. So these are unsecured right now, right? So to make them secure, you just need to click this link, this which is provided by XAMPP to you, this link. Just click this link, and in here you will be able to see this kind of a page. Okay, so first of all, you can change the password for your MySQL. So let's change the password, and I will retype my password, and I will say password changing. Okay, so the password was successfully changed. Please restart MySQL. Okay, so I will restart MySQL, and you also need to change this password, htaccess or htaccess directory. So just give the password to this ht directory or htaccess. So I will give the user as root and give the password you can remember, and I will just click this button called make safe XAMPP directory, and now your XAMPP directory is protected, right? So once you have followed these procedure, you will be able to write your first PHP code or whatever code you want to test, and you will be able to test them. So for example, once this installation is complete, you can go to your folder where you have installed this XAMPP. So in my local disk program file, I will be able to find this XAMPP, or local disk program file x86, and in here I think I will be able to find this. Where is this? Okay, so in here I forgot the path. We have installed this XAMPP on c:/XAMPP, right? So I go to that path, C, in the C directory, just go to this XAMPP directory and click it, and in here you will be able to see so many folders in here. And what we need to do is we need to go to htdocs, and in this htdocs there will be files which will run. Whatever files you will place here, you will be able to see it in here. So this index file .php is, I think you will be able to find here, this one. Okay, index.php, right? So this is that file. Whatever you are seeing here, index.php, is this file, index.php. Now for example, I want to create a nice little test to test whatever I place in here will be shown in my browser or not. So for example, I will make a new text document, and I will name it as test, and I will open this test, and I can write here, this is a test, for example, and I will just save this, save and close this. And now when I can go to my browser and open this file by just going to localhost / test.txt, okay, txt, and press enter, and you will be able to see your message. So it will open your test file, and it has opened this message from the text file. If you are able to see these files or whatever content in the file, then XAMPP is successfully installed and running on your system. So whatever file or whatever folder and file which you will add here will be able to run here. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.